sky blue color, pink color, light pink color, orange color, black color, brown color, yellow color, purple color, light green color, blue color, red color, and green color. So kids, now we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. The alphabets of H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. It's now you draw L. The alphabets of L. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. The alphabets of O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. The alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. The alphabets of V. V for van. W for wheel. Kids, now you draw X. The alphabets of X. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for green color, white green color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, red color, blue color, purple color, light pink color, and pink color. So kids, now you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22. The numbers of 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26. The numbers of 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Brown color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, black color, pink color, blue color, red color, and light pink color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J. The alphabets of J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. The numbers of 7. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Black color, sky blue color, purple color, green color, red color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, pink color, light pink color, orange color, and blue color. So kids, now you draw 1. 1, 2. Kids, now you draw 3. 3, 4. Kids, now you draw 5. 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9. 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13. 13, 14, and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.